Kim Luchek with Christ Church of the Woodlands, and I'm going to teach Come Thou Almighty King. It's got a little Irish spin to what we know is an old traditional song. For us, this song is short, sweet, and repetitive, and that's what makes it easy. Remember, if you are on stage with me, you are doing the opposite. And if you are going to be one of the people out in the audience singing and dancing with me, you are going to be mirroring exactly what I do. We are going to start by swaying and beat because it's a 6/8 time. And then we're going to raise our hands up. We're going to raise them and say, Come Thou Almighty. So we're coming. We're bringing them to come to us. Come Thou Almighty. Then we're going to sign King. You're going to take your two fingers, point them up. Stick your thumb in between the middle. This is a K in sign language. We're going to take the K that is in our right hand and we're going to reach across to our opposite shoulder, our left shoulder, and then we're going to bring it down and across to our hip. King goes along the lines of what a banner would if we were in the Miss America pageant. So it's going to be Come Thou Almighty King. Now we're going to tap name. You take two fingers, and you just tap them one on top of each other for name. We're going to tap name 2 times. Help us thy name to sing. We put our hands around our mouth. Help us to praise. We bring our hands up. And then we're going to wave our banner with one hand. We're going to wave it 4 times. Help us to praise. Father all glorious. Come all victorious. Come to reign over us. And then we're going to bow down and show the top of our head. So it's help us to praise Father all glorious or all victorious. Come to reign over us, Ancient of Days. And then we repeat that 3 more times. Let's try it with the music. Remember, we're going to sway in 6/8 time.